Sige. Kay ang 13 bukuan ra pa pod may mo pa Manila pod may 13. Para pag wala pwede naman i-contact nato. Amping ay pag-share oy. Kuya lang, kuya. Salamat amping mo kanunay. God bless. Hello po sa lahat at dito po tayo sa dito po kami magkita-kita sa may Bagasbas Beach at dito po sila si Kalinga Prab at si Leah Ann Blair at dito po magkumpisa at magkaroon ng testing sa dalawa, pero isa lang po ang kukunan sa kanila. Si Edwin po ang nasabihan ko na hindi po siya magkain within 45 minutes. So yun po, thank you po at nawa po ay sa pamagitan nito ay makita po nila yung kanilang hinahanap.
Tapos we have something for that wings.
Yeah. We have something, a little cake.
And for wrap. And the group. I just put it here for
Is the weather usually like this? Right. You'll be on the washing, sir. The washing machine.
Yeah.
Surf powder.
Actually, we didn't plan we are going to the Queens. It's just like we went to Cebu November and in November to spend Christmas, New Year's, December until January. Tapos, father, I said like, okay, we just maybe, we won't interrupt, right?
Yeah.
Baka may nanonood na maka-reach out na yung tatay. Tapos, your video still like, Leah and Blair suddenly like, Madam Blair parang, last December lang, sabi niya, dadaan tayo sa di ba, Bicol? I said, sabi niya, maybe it's time to
Reach out and see.
reach out again and see if we can, help. Yeah. Because sa case namin is, we're not helping through details. We're searching through the bloodline. Kaya yung DNA.
How does it work?
So, we have the DNA kit, we have now DNA kit, ancestry DNA, but there is different brand. But this is popular nationwide. And we have lots of this.
This is very popular in America. So a lot of people in America want to trace their family tree and find out who their ancestors were. So a lot of people will submit their DNA to Ancestry, and not just America, but Australia as well, and the UK.
UK. Because there is no Australian bloodline is more it's a mix. Australian
There is no 100%.
Yes,
Because Australia is only a couple of 100 years old,
Yes.
so most of the people who live in Australia are from different countries.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if the father is
How do you
Australian,
in their
I can see their ethnicity is from Europe.
Europe?
Yeah, so so it's possible na Australian yung tatay, but the ethnicity, the main is
European.
same as Blair. He is Australian because he was born in
I was born
Australia.
in Australia, but my parents are from the UK. My dad was English, my mother was Scottish, but I was born in Australia. So if I took a test, it would come up as being British, being from the UK. Yeah. So we'll get the results back once you've taken the test. We'll get the results back in about 6-7 weeks. So it's quite fast. Yeah.
So, pero kani, balik, we will send this, the DNA sample, we will send it back to the US kasi nandun yung laboratory.
Yeah.
So how do we study this?
Saliva, laway. Kukuha ako ng laway. Sinong gusto gustong mag-take. Ikaw, si Edward. Wala talaga smoke. So, capture it.
Sure.
Wala na.
Sure. Okay. I won't capture his saliva, but I'll capture it on camera.
Actually, madali lang naman to.
You've never taken a DNA test before?
No.
It's tough not knowing, but with this, perhaps, we can't promise 100%. No, but we can't promise 100% that you get answers, but we can at least try.
Yeah.
You know, it's worth a try.
If it doesn't work in this one, but I think this will.
Yeah, there is another company called MyHeritage as well. But Ancestry have about 50% of the market, so most people have taken an Ancestry DNA test before.
So,
So meron na po, nakita ko po sa vlog niyo, marami na po kayo natulungan na about yun.
actually, konti lang yung program namin. Wala na kaming time. Pero, we can review. Parang, they already, nag-communicate na sila, o iba wala na. At least, ang magbigay namin is full information sa tatay, picture, yung mga details ng tatay. And hindi talaga lahat, yung mismo masasabi ko, hindi talaga lahat happy din. Parang merong father na
Ayaw sila.
Yes. And
Actually, ang
sa dami ng case na hinahawakan, alam ko kung parang, kasi 50% sa inyo, alam niyo yung nanay niyo ba? 50% sa inyo, hindi nyo nakikita ang mukha ng tatay niyo. So, hindi, ang dami yung tanong.
parang may kulang,
Oo.
may kulang sa kanyang
Parang-
pagkatao.
Anong mukha ng tatay ko? Ilang taon na siya ngayon? Is
Hindi naman
he,
tulungan kayo.
parang mas, actually, he look like full, you know? But I can see British or Scottish is a strong ethnicity.
Baka
It's
yung
a strong,
British,
it's a strong back, like they look like,
strong black
strong bloodline. So, ito yun ikaw yung ano pangalan mo ulit? Edwin.
Yan din naman ang muna kung ano ka na.
Ikaw yung kuhaan ko ng sample. So, magkuha ka ng laway hanggang dito sa line.
Kami, nung pa muna tubig.
No, bawal.
Ano?
No, water is not allowed.
Okay.
Dito yan siya sa line. Tapos hindi din pwede mag-overflow kasi mag-void din siya. Tapos ipakita mo lang sa akin. Actually, huwag kang umaaniyay kasi lahat talaga kumuha sila ng hindi isang sa harap ng dito. Okay lang. So, lagay ko lang yung tablet dito. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
Mag-iipon.
If you want privacy, you can do it in the
Yeah,
photograph.
if you want privacy, you can do it in the CR. Okay lang.
Pwede ka pumunta ko dyan. Okay na?
Ipakita mo lang sa akin. So, okay na ba?
Huwag mong lagyan ng tubig ah.
Hindi pwede.
Huwag mo lagi ng flame ha. Okay lang.
Ito lang yung interest. Kahit picture or any information, but ano lang, read yourself. Read nyo sa sarili nyo kung anong na-search namin.
And don't expect too much na
Oo.
magiging ano kayo.
We always give hope, pero read nyo lang sa sarili nyo kung baka galitin kayo. And hopefully, hindi. Kasi sometimes we try our best na with, or minsan kung alam nila, may asawa na silang iba.
After po nung 6 weeks, yung DNA po, saan po natin sasubmit sa ano?
Idirekta namin,
Direkta natin dun sa-
ipasa namin sa laboratory. Tapos makikita namin yung,
Automatic na po ba yun na matitrace out agad yung
sometimes they're lucky enough na there's a father match. Father match, kung may father match meaning nag-take na ancestry din yung tatay.
Okay.
Kung hindi,
Kung hindi,
possible auntie, or maybe
Parang
half
nangyayari, match,
siblings,
magkakaroon.
or maybe half siblings. So, baka may anak siya sa iba, na nag-take ng DNA, match din sila sa iba. Then doon kami mag-trace na, yan pala pangalan ng tatay niya, saan yung address, contact
sa
information.
kanyang buhay na.
Oo, may ano namin. Kung nasa Navy or military yung tatay, may record kasi kami sa mga sa Amerika lang. Baka hindi natin alam kasi yung nanay nagtrabaho sa ano, di ba? Nag-work sa Clark Atta. So, hindi natin alam kung may labor pa siya Navy or military. Result.
Did your mother ever tell you the name of your father? Not sure. And you've never seen a photo of him? Not even a photo. Did she say how old he was when she met him? Like, was he in his 30s or 40s or 50s? And this was in try and narrow it down.
It's a lot of work to do. The reason being is we pick siblings from the dad.
Yeah.
And then we need to narrow it down. When you were born, is your father came exactly that year?
What year were you born? What year?
Years.
So he came here 2011, you came here 2011.
Wait, no, 2003.
That three.
2003.
That's what 10.
Yeah, so you're 22 now. Yeah.
So you were conceived in 2000. Anong month kayo?
Yeah. Okay.
Did they have a relationship?
Was it a one night stand or was it a relationship or just
Hindi
she?
naman nila, no? Kasi hindi sinabi sa inyo ano. They have a relationship? How many years?
Tatay niyo na may anak siyang kapat.
Alam niyo mga ginagawa.
Alam ni?
Alam niyo yung parang tumis na kami.
So yung alam niya. Pero alam ng tatay mo na nag-notice pa. 2 months pregnant. Okay. Pero nung pinanganak kayo,
Wala na.
so hindi kayo nakita ng tatay. Pero anong sabi ng nanay? Tanggap kayo sa tatay mo?
Ang sabi ni mama kasi, parang gusto niyo papa namin sa action natin.
Wow.
Tapos ayaw ng mama.
I'm so excited in this case because I think if you found the father who knows about you guys, he would just
So we're thinking that he doesn't know the father.
The
The father does know,
Yes.
but he
And
just
then-
they lost contact.
Yes, and the father wants to bring them back to Australia.
But it's just a case of losing contact.
Yes, anong nangyari? Tinakas kayo ng nanay niya sa Mindanao or lost contact or anong nangyari?
Parang ganito na nagtutulog. Tapos nag-version na bumalik sila sa Pampanga.
Nahanap. Matagal na.
Wala na siya. Anong sabi na nila? Nag-stay siya, he's staying here for permanently or just tourists can come in and out of the country?
Sabi mo about the data, may business or hotel. Tapos
So may business siya. Parang sa kanya talaga yung business or he's working in a business?
But then your dad is younger than your mother.
Your father is younger.
Mas bata.
Than his mother.
Mas bata yung tatay mo.
I see pa.
Oh, your father is younger than your mother. So,
Really?
you still, ano?
Really?
So, wait lang, I need to clarify this. Bata pa ang tatay mo kaysa ang mama mo.
Ilang years? How many years younger?
So, ilang taon na yung nanay mo ngayon?
His mum was only in her early 20s.
Still young.
So, still young.
Yeah.
Still alive.
So the father would have been under 25 at the time. So he's under 50. He's like between 40 and 50 now.
May really old one, so before I can go.
How they met, your father and your mother met when your father was still your mother.
Albana.
Ha?
You must have been thinking about Albana
But,
to get the saliva going.
Lumaki din kayo sa nanay nyo. Kasi minsan kasi may mga case kami na twins sila, pero they're adopted. So, we need to make sure na talagang twins sila.
Yes.
Kasi pareho naman yung lumabas ng ethnicity nyo eh. Tapos pareho na
itsura
din yung
naman,
tatay.
kayo naman sa itsura.
Oo, yes. Yeah.
Because they were put up for adoption and then you get told the wrong thing as they're growing up. But in this case, you can see.
We even have we have one guy reach out to us and he explained me he have brother of Billy Crawford. But
Is that true?
we did a DNA of course to make sure that
No.
he is full Filipino. Oh, that's why we always do the DNA. And
DNA will reveal the whole truth.
yes, I would say that in this box, your DNA sample might be give you the answer. The DNA
We pray for that and we hope. As long as you guys have hope, you know, you've been hoping for 22 years now. So hold on to that hope. And very soon we'll be able to reveal to you if there's a match or if there's a cousin
They have
match.
been waiting for this for
Yeah.
a long time.
Yeah. What was it like growing up? You know, being half foreigner. Were you teased at school, or did the girls chase you, or was it a hard upbringing? Growing up, was it difficult? You know. Very difficult.
But I think because you guys is good looking, I don't think you get this as these other people that we encountered. Because now they are more like
I think-
like 50 years old, 60 years old now. Back then,
There was a lot of teasing, and
they
it
cannot
was
see a
acceptable.
souvenir
Yeah, it was
from the
acceptable.
Navy, souvenir from the Navy, and like, you don't belong here. You look like American, go back to America. Filipino is this.
Most of the people we've helped, their father was an American here, based in like Subic Bay or Clark Air Base. You know, it wasn't the Vietnam War. But in your case, your father was probably a tourist and just
He
visiting.
was still young.
Yeah, so there's a good chance. I mean, that's fantastic news, because I was worried
Yes, I
that
know.
he might be like, well,
I don't know guys if you watch one of our video, if the one that's suitable for you to watch is Albert's story.
Albert?
Albert's father is not a Navy or
he was worked for the Asian Development Bank in Manila.
in Manila.
And Albert's roughly the same age as you, a couple of years older, and he was been looking for his father.
And he thought that he knows his father because may picture siya sa tatay niya. Sabi na yung tatay ko yung picture namin nung 2 years old ako. Tapos suddenly this was contact. Pero again, may details sila, full name, information, hindi lang nila matrace. Pero kinuhaan pa rin namin siya ng DNA kasi nanipel kami. So, yung lumabas yung DNA niya, makita niya sa video, is hindi siya yung tatay na, akala niya yung tatay, hindi. Pero yung tatay na yon may long relationship siya sa nanay niya. Kaya, yung
Sino po
akala,
pala yung tatay nila?
iba. So, yung nung lumabas yung DNA result, yung nag-match is half-sister, which is America, ang case. Yung half-sister na yun is hinanap din yung tatay niya, which is yan yung tatay ni Albert. Oo. Kasi babaero din yung tatay niya. Tapos may isang nag-match din na kapatid. Sa American na siya, full American. Lawyer siya sa Amerika, at saka isa is teacher. American din. Pero yung tatay nila naka-base sa Thailand, sa Phuket. Pinuntahan namin sa Phuket. Yan yung good video kasi winawarningan kami sa mga anak nila na kasi si Albert is 25 years old. Sabi namin, Albert, what's your biggest dream? Sabi niya, to see and find my father. Sabi namin, okay, we will go ahead. Pero, winawarningan siya sa mga anak nila sa Amerika na our father is not a good father. Tapos si Albert may anxiety siya. Yan yung pinupunitahan namin, sabi namin, are you sure? Sabi niya, just to meet him, that's it. Para i-shake hands lang, yan talaga yung nangyari.
But from that story, he's found so many siblings.
Yes. And
They didn't know one another because the father was playing the field, right? And now Connect, his half-sister in America.
At least he found his sibling.
oo. Pero okay naman yung relationship sa house sibling, pero sa father ko iba na. Pero, ano yung tense, very tense kasi,
So you went to his father
We went
without
to
knowing,
Thailand.
without knowing. Hindi alam ng tatay. So, pumunta na kami ng Thailand. Hindi namin alam yung complete address ng tatay. Pero alam namin yung details niya na ilang years siya sa Pilipinas, pumunta siya ng Singapore. Kasi once na dumating yung result ng DNA, trace up namin yung tatay. Meron kasi kami images. May record siya. So, alam namin na 1970s pumunta yung tatay niya sa ibang na-assign siya sa ibang job, gano'n. Tapos, nung pumunta na kami sa kanilang, nag-message ako personally sa asawa sa Facebook. Sabi
Asawa
namin,
mo nung tatay?
Oo, asawa. Kasi yung tatay walang Facebook. So, nag-message ako, pwede namin siya
Foreigner din
makausap.
po.
Chinese. So, sabi namin, pwede namin makausap yung si Paul, makikita sa kanya ng pangalan ng tatay. Tapos niya, nakalist pala yung asawa ng tatay nila sa marketplace. Nag-sell, display sila ng table. Antique yung table kasi nasa half million baht.
Yaman.
So, oo. Tapos, yun, nag-message ako kasi yan yung only way na mahanap mo namin yung complete address. Kakato kami sa
Ginamit niyo
Bitcoin.
yung-
Oo. So, yun, nag-message kami, sabi namin, interested. Tapos nag-reply yung asawa, syempre, kasi siguro kailangan nilang pera eh. Sabi niya, sabi namin, yes, we're interested.
That's very sweet.
We went to Marawi a couple of years ago to find the father, and I think that wasn't as bad as going.
Max.
Yan yung pangalan ng tatay mo, Max. Pero yung nanay mo,
Belinda. Belinda ano na yun.
Okay. Now, you first met the twins a couple of years ago. How did that come about? How did that happen?
Through Tatay Dog, he recommend this trip to me to help find their dad.
Right.
But unfortunately, we haven't found him there.
Okay.
Actually, they've been featured in KMJS, and we expect that might help them find their father. But I think
Well enough. No success.
no success.
How old are you guys now? 22. All right. Now, your mother told you that he was an Australian. Your father's an Australian, living in Sydney. And he was here in the Philippines on holiday. You don't have any photos, any letters, nothing like that. Even a name?
Everything.
Not even a name.
even nickname, no?
What is jazz? Ay, Max.
Max. Like the candy, Max. It could be Max. A lot of the times when we are testing people, sometimes the mothers get the names wrong or they can't remember the name. So just letting you guys know that if we did find your father, his name might not even be Max. Leah May's already given you a DNA test. Who took the test? Edwin? Okay. What are you hoping for? Obviously you're hoping to find your father, but do you want to have a relationship with him? Why are you looking now?
I am father right now. I will see my father also. Because I miss him so much.
You've never seen a photo, you don't even know what he looks like,
Yes,
even a photo. And your mum was in her early 20s when she met him. She was like early 20, 21, 22?
nothing
22. Was he older than your mum or the same age?
You
said earlier that your dad is younger than your mom.
Your mum told you that he was younger than her. So he's only in his 1920. So we're looking for somebody who's now about 45,
Yeah.
under 50. So there's a good chance that your father's still alive. Because most of the cases that we deal with, we're dealing with somebody who's usually in their 60s or 70s. So that, the first thing is you guys have got hope. Because Australia's not too far away. Okay, it's about 6-7 hours on a flight. He's been visiting the Philippines as a tourist, and he's probably in his late 40s, so there's a good chance he's still alive.
So you guys were born in December 2003. So you are conceived. So your father visited here in the Philippines 2000.
The beginning of 2000.
Yeah, the beginning
January,
of 2000.
February, March. Did your mum say what job he had? What did he do? No.
What do you know about your dad when she met your father?
My uncle used to like
In what?
computer and light bulb, like
Right. Okay. What would you say to your father if we find him and he watches this? A lot of people in overseas, especially Australia or America, sometimes they're worried about scams, especially from the Philippines. If he watches this and we reach out to him and he doesn't really believe us or he thinks it's a scam, what type of message would you give to your father? What would you say?
that relationship. Since when I was young, I was doing I find it and complete my life with my brother. Our relationships. And I'm hoping to meet you someday. And I pray for them.
Did you guys have a hard upbringing? Was it difficult for you as you grew up? And you had a nice upbringing? Okay. But you just want this type of approach so you can find out who your father is, see a photo and find out if he wants a relationship with the two of you. You're at college now.
Yes.
What are you studying?
I'm actually a personalist and personalized.
Tourism? Okay. And yourself?
Same today I'm personalist HM.
Right.
Hobby.
Okay. And you kindly took on the twins in regards to providing for their schooling.
Yes.
So,
They're currently living in my house,
right.
and then helping them on their studies, allowance, and tuition, while hoping to find their dad, their father. Hopefully, the way this will be the way that we can find their dad.
I would say the best way to find relatives, family is DNA. You cannot get wrong with
Yes.
the DNA. Searching from your bloodline. We are really excited and hopeful with this case. And hopefully we will just, out there and open arms to meet and see you guys.
If you guys just wait, we brought you something. We'll just go and get it for you. If you'd just like to open that, guys.
Thank you so much.
This is a message that we like to give everyone that approaches us, and it's something that you guys, I think, have a lot of, and we don't want you to forget.
Wow.
So guys, just have hope, keep praying, and it's on God's will. We'll be able to find your father soon. So It will take around 7 to 8 weeks until we get an answer back from
Yes.
America through Ancestry DNA. And thank you to the people, the kind donators who have sent us Ancestry DNA kits all throughout 2025, and we're hoping to receive a lot more in 2026, because this is where these kits can go to, giving these guys hope that we'll be able to find their father. Thanks, guys.
You.
We would like to say thank you so much for this effort, for helping us, for my
Yeah. It's really not too difficult for us. We were just travelling back from Cebu back to Subic Bay where we live, and so many people have tagged us with your story. So we're very helpful to be able to help you guys, and hopefully we'll be able to find your father soon.
Yeah. And to answer all of the questions.
Yeah.
I know you guys have had question. Half of your life is missing, and we're trying to
Piece it
fulfill
together
that,
for you.
yes.
You need to get your passport.
You don't know.
The thing is, Australian passports
No,
are
Filipino
not cheap.
first.
Australian passports are not cheap. They're around $600 Australian dollars, about 25,000 pesos.
But they cannot get the
But that's
Australian,
okay.
yeah, they cannot get the Australian
They're-
passport straight away unless the father will sign the thing and say.
But it doesn't matter. You
Even
can
they're
still.
Filipino, they
They-
have the chance to get
Yes,
Australian
even
passport.
if they're born here, even
Yeah.
if
Through descent.
yes, yes, you guys have the opportunity.
Wow.
We have
Yeah.
3 boys, so through myself.
So they will be a dual
Yes.
Yes,
citizen.
they can be. If we found your father and then your father will say, I want to meet them, I want them to travel with me in Australia
Don't
for a
forget
holiday.
us.
Remittance.
You know, yeah, you can get dual, you can live in Australia and in the Philippines.
But what I always like to say to people is, sometimes people think the grass is greener on the other side of the fence, but it's just as hard to mow, it's just as hard to cut, meaning life in Australia is difficult as well, not just the Philippines, and it's expensive as well. So 90% of your sweldo will be paying rent and tax, so sometimes it's better to live in the Philippines as well.
And have
Philippines
a
is a
own
good country.
business in the Philippines.
Yeah,
Because the expenses here is
Yeah.
not
Yes,
that high.
yes.
that's right.
So I think
Yeah, we're so excited with you guys, for you guys. We're so excited.
Perhaps one day you'll be seeing a koala bear or a kangaroo. You never know. Soon. All right, guys. So we'll get back to you in 7 to 8 weeks.
Thank you
Thanks,
very
Raj.
much. Thank you very much.
Salamat
Thank you.
kaayo.
Thank you po.
Sige, salamat.
So yun po mga kalingap, nakuna na po ng DNA. At salamat po na umpisahan na yung paghahanap ng tatay ng kambal. So abangan na lang po natin ang sunod na mga kabanata, update, lalo na pagdating o kung anong resulta doon sa DNA test nila after at siguro mga 2 months. And mayroon pa pong isa na gusto nilang gamitin natin pang testing at nandyan na po. At siguro kailan natin yun siguro bukas kung may time ay ma-DNA test natin. May pinala po sila Leah and Blair ng isang brand. Yan. So yun po, God bless. Maraming salamat sa ating lahat.